Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a traveler's notebook layout that I titled Road Trip, and I'm using the digital version of the collection Let's Go Anywhere by Echo Park. And so I'm starting with a longer paper strip that goes in the background. And then I have also run a card along the edges. That's my simple way to distress the edges. There are distressing tools, but you can just go with something that is lying around in your house that can help distressing the edges. Then I have this other piece of paper that looks like a paper flag, so for contrast I've used a different color there, and it goes across the two pages, so I have to make sure that both pages are well aligned so that everything will line up when I put it together as a book. It will have some ring binding, and so that's how it will become one book. And because it'll so I have to just pay attention that the papers line up and the pages line up. So then I have this one larger bit of paper that goes still in the background, and then this is all the papers that I'm going to use for this, and the rest that I will be adding to this page will be the embellishments and the title. And I know I should do a lot better with my journaling. I am just not too stoked about writing the stories on my pages, even though every page does have a story. So anyway, here I have now the photo is also glued to the page, and it's a 3x3 photo. And now I'm adding a title to this, but there are other pieces, so I ended up titling this page differently. But I'm basically spelling out the word Nazareth there, because that's where we were when we were taking this picture. So I'm just using one of my alpha stamp sets to write or to stamp the word onto my page there, and that'll take a moment. And I love how it turned out, because it does look a little like it's handwritten, and it works well with the rest of the paper, and especially the black background paper there, because it looks like it's a doodle page full of just arts relating to travel and all that, but it just looks doodled. And so it turned out that this alpha was really fitting with this very well. And then I also created a lot of my own flowers. I usually create my own flowers. They're either from cut with the silhouette, or I use one of my flower dies to get flowers for my pages, and all I have to do is then shape them. But here I am now cleaning my stamps, because I really care to treat my stamps well, so I can enjoy them for a long time, especially because I can't just easily get by the stamps that I would really like, so I'm very happy with what I can get. So here I'm now starting with the embellishing and the clustering there. Again, as I said, these flowers I think are all just silhouette cut. So they come from the Silhouette store, and have been in my library for a while. But this is basically, all the embellishments are a mixture of what comes with this collection. So some things I just printed and then fussy cut out. This one actually is a stamp that I used one of my dies, label dies, basically to cut out. And so again, the flowers, I either use my ball stylus to shape the flowers, or I fold the petals, and I love how you can create different effects with each of the flowers. But now all I have left to do is adding my word strips. These are travel themed, that I actually specifically created for this trip to Israel that we did in 2019. And so I will be sharing an equivalent just with travel themed at some point on my blog MistyHilltops.com. So I encourage you to check out MistyHilltops.com, because there are a bunch of freebies available already. So go check it out. This page is based on a template that I will be sharing as a freebie on my blog, mistyhilltops.com. And the nice thing about this is you can just put away or take away the background and can turn it into a full-on 12 by 12 or any size scrapbook layout that you want to do. It's easy to clip papers to if you have digital products, but it's also super easy to just use the measures that come in the Silhouette Studio to get an idea of what size you need for things, and then recreate your own page, even if you don't own a Silhouette cutting machine. So anyway, I do share a lot of my Traveler's Notebook layouts as templates. But all I have to do is now flip it around so that I can use the back side to cut a straight line through the page, and this is my page done. I'm going to leave you with some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.